Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Now in this tutorial we are going to talk about autocorrect feature. Now this feature autocorrects words when you type. Now when you make mistakes, this autocorrect feature corrects it. So let's try example. When you type in THE, you want to type in the, but we typed in TEH instead of THE. Now when you press the space bar, now see it's autocorrected. Now the autocorrection, the first letter changes to uppercase. Now let's try another one and see. Let's try NWE, that is new, space. So you have new here. Let's try another one and see people. Okay, now it autocorrected. Now let's try this. So we want to type in advantage. So advan. Okay, so let's type in this and see. Okay, so now this is autocorrect. Now let's type in this. So this is grief. Okay, and let's type in. So it could be. Okay, so you want content. So you wanted to type content and see what happened. Now this we try to type it by making mistakes and it couldn't autocorrect it. Why? The reason is it is not in the list. So there's a list there that gives autocorrected from that list. So in order to do that, you can set up that list and add this word. So anytime we type in this word, then it's going to correct it for us. So let's copy this. Okay, now when you're using Windows machine, you go to File, then you go to Options, Proofing, and Autocorrect. Go to File, Options, Proofing, and Autocorrect. Now when using Apple machine or iOS platform, you just go to Tools, then Autocorrect is here. Okay, so now let's see. Here we have Replace With. Replace and wait. So here the name, you see when you just go here, all the words they are here. So this word you're going to replace with this. So these words are wrongly spelled. So now these are correct spellings over here. So when you type in any of this, it's going to give you this as the auto correction. Now let's say we want to add this. So now let's add. So we type in CONTETN this, and you want to just replace it with content. So with content. So let's now click on add. Okay. So now we are done. Now let's go back and the same word here. Let's type it again and let's see what happened. Now press on. Okay, now you see it has now been replaced with the word that we inserted. So that is a way to autocorrect feature, and this helps a lot when dealing with documents. This autocorrected for you. So you can just go there and just mix it up for your own words that you want to replace with. And that's all. Alright, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.